Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you today, and I'm really excited to unbox this, but I feel I'm a little bit concerned with what's happened to the inside of the box, because as you can see, the boxes come pretty squished on transit. There does seem to be a little bit of give, so maybe that's just why, but worth keeping in mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna get straight into the unboxing. Hopefully nothing is damaged. I'm a little bit worried. So we have the brochure, which I will put aside. Oh, happy birthday. So this is the May. Oh, wow. Okay, it seems a lot more comprehensive. Like, there seems to be a lot more items than usual, probably because it's their birthday month. That's so cool. All right, I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, first glance, everything seems pretty okay. Nothing seems damaged, so pretty happy about that. So first up seems to be this little pouch. Feels like it's a little coin purse. A bit of stuffing in it. And some fabric. That's strange. I'll put that aside. But yeah, it's like a little donut coin purse, which is so cute. I feel like I could give this to my niece. I feel like my niece would really like something like this for some reason. I don't know. I just feel like it would suit her really well. There's quite a lot of candy here. So you get a little cat donut squishy. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm not really a fan of squishies, and it just isn't something that appeals to me, but this one is really cute. Like, I've kept all the ones that have come in boxes just for the sake of having them, but this one is so big cute. I wish the print was a little bit more on point, but I'm sure that's not really the point of squishies. It's really just is it more like a therapeutic thing, like stress relief? Then we have some candy. So this is like, oh, it's like a Minnie Mouse candy pop can. And then we have choco bowls, which are like candy coated chocolates with some biscuit pieces inside. And I think that's it for the candy. All right, so we got some little hair clips. We have little rabbit hair clips. Oh no, okay, I think this is where the damage is. Let me open this up. But I think one of the glasses has snapped in transit, which is the result of the squishing. Okay, so these glasses aren't really stuck on that well to begin with. There we go. So the glasses are kind of a bit lopsided on them anyways. So this one's okay. This one's pretty on point. Yeah, this one's got its glasses on right. This one, unfortunately, the glasses weren't on very well, on straight anyways, but they snapped. So that's probably because the package got squished, which is a bit unfortunate. I feel like maybe these could have been wrapped in like maybe bubble wrap or something. Yeah, I don't know. Really cute. So soft and fluffy. This is a little flamingo. I'm pretty sure this is just a black gel pen. I actually think I might just test it on the box or something, because I just don't think it's going to be... There we go. Yeah. I just don't think it's like a very unique pen. Like when I do the close-up inspection of how pens perform, I usually like to do them for, say, like Zen Pop Box, because you get, I don't know, stationery that you would usually buy, whereas I feel like these sort of pens are very gimmicky. Like you get them maybe at weddings or parties and stuff like that, so you're not really buying them for the pen quality. So whether it writes well or not is kind of not a non-issue, but it's just not really the most important thing about the pen. It's just, this pen is more about its looks, whereas a lot of the Japanese stationery that I collect, those pens, it really comes down to the performance of the pens and less about how it looks. And we have a little notebook, a little cat notebook. Oh, it's a diary. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'll bring it up closer. You've got like your days of the week here, weather conditions, so you can like specify your date, which day it is, the weather's like, and then just some notes for the day. So it's kind of like a little journal. I love this. I've never seen anything like this. It is super tiny though, but I love this concept. And then we have, is this like a little cross stitching? Oh, it is. Oh, DIY cross stitch. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So this is actually a Korean cross stitching kit. I don't know. I think I actually might give this a go, because I find cross stitching very therapeutic. And then, I don't know, I could use it for something. That is so cool. I actually really love cross stitching. I just wouldn't actively go out and buy them anymore. Like as a teenager, I used to buy lots of kits and just sit there making them in my spare time. But I think I actually want to give this one a go. And the last few items, we have some post-it notes by My Melody, which is a Sanrio character. Okay, so there's two types of post-it notes here. You've got this one, which is your normal like sticky post-it note. Then you've got this one, which is like a two-folded type. So here, you can fold it in half. I don't know if this is focusing. So you can fold it in half and then stick it in between like keyboards and stuff like that if you want to leave notes to people, which I really like, or you can have it standing up. Also really cool. And then the last one are some stickers. They're like little puppy stickers. Love these. These are so cute. These are like very Lunar New Year-esque inspired. And that is everything in this month's Kawaii box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find it useful. I feel like a lot of people seem to really enjoy the Kawaii unboxing videos for some reason, but not really the other unboxing videos. But I love the other ones more in terms of content. So, but if you guys still love this, I'm still gonna keep doing it because I want to do videos that you guys enjoy. And I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.